Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Ish Motor Part. This is me, Ishmael, and this is a quick review of the MaxAuto lawnmower tire from Amazon. So if this is what you're looking for, stay tuned and let's check it out. Okay, here they are. As you saw me on the time lapse, I will check everywhere inside and out. It's perfect. I really like this tire. So as I ordered them, it says MaxAuto in the description. See what's over there. That's good. Also, the size is right there. It's 20 by 8 and 8. In the inside here, there is no rubber hanging out or nuts hanging out over here. It's smooth around. So I really like this one over here. As you can see right here, it's very smooth. It's very even and it is very good. Same thing on this side. They all like that, so there is no reason for me to show you every one of them. Before I continue this video, this video is not sponsored by nobody. I bought this tire with my own money for $130 from Amazon. MaxAuto really surprised me how they match my old tire. It's everything is just perfect, just nothing different. As you can see, the tray over here, it's exactly same number, same everything. Yes, I forgot to show you how my old one right now. It's old. It's don't have any air in it. That's my old one, and it really does match with the new one. Now we're coming back with the front one. It says as well MaxAuto in 15 by 6.00. I don't see any missing pieces. As you can buy tires, sometimes there is a missing piece on the edge over here, or there is bump in the inside, but this is very good. I mean, there is some bump, like because the tire is meshed in when they pack, but that's it. But there is no excess, like, you know what I mean. Hopefully you know what I mean. So the NHS stands for not for highway service. Alright, let's check out the old one, how they look like. It's like I said, they very match. Like this one over here, that's 1 2 3 4 5, and start here too, 1 2 3 4 5, and the other ones 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So it's perfect. The only difference on this is MaxAuto, and that's the old one right there. Turf Saver, maybe I can say that. And the size 15.6-6. Same thing, the old one 15.6-6. So I would say for $130 I will recommend this tire because they very look good. Except right now I gotta do the installation. I don't think I'm gonna make video of that. I think there's plenty of video on YouTube for that, or maybe I make it. I don't know yet, but this is just a review, and as you can see, and it looks good. I really do 100% recommend this tire because, I mean, if I'm satisfied, I let somebody else be satisfied too. Like I said, I bought this tire with my own money. I'm not making any money out of it. I bought it for $130 from Amazon, so it's really not helping me out. But if you like to help me out by subscribing, share, and like my video, that's the only way you can help me out right now. So now I got to do the hardest job. I'm going to take the old one out and put new one in there. Hopefully won't take long time, which it will. I know that for sure. Well, they finally finished. New one. They've been on for almost 2 days and they holding the air very good. Right there. Same thing on the front. Looking very good. Yep, they hold very good air. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share if you like this video or this channel. Until then, bye for now. Ciao.